Now we got another restaurant owner. I want to introduce the owner of the Cracked Egg, Kimberly Waigand.
Thank you. What a glorious day, surrounded by patriots. This is huge. Let me tell you a story. Something that Senator Doug did. He sent me a text, and he said, "This is Senator Doug Mastriano. We met in August." I said, "Yes, I know you." He's asked me to speak here today. What an honor. I am humbled. Thank you, Senator, for fighting for us. Is he gone already? Anyhow, me and my husband, we own the Cracked Egg in Pittsburgh. This is our son, Cody. We're family run. We'll be there 5 years in October. We did our part when this Chinese virus came to America. Right? We closed 2 weeks to flatten the curve. We survived the takeout only. Then June came, and the governor said, you can have outdoor seating. You can have, 25%? 25%. So we did the outdoor dining. We did the social distancing. But I'll tell you what we never did. We never required masks. That's right. The snitches in Brentwood are real. They are. They complained to the Allegheny County Health Department. They told me they received 20 complaints a day for not wearing masks. Fantastic. I'm still not backing down. Right? That's right. They told me I am to refuse service to anyone entering without a mask. I said, absolutely not. I will not violate anyone's freedoms or liberties. Ironically, during the July 4th weekend, the holiday where we celebrate our freedoms, I seen it live by Taste of Sicily and was inspired by their courage standing up to the Department of Agriculture. For real. They were open up 100%. No social distancing, no masks. I wanted to be like them. I know this was no longer about a virus. This is control. In early August, 2 health department workers came, and they brought their supervisor with them. That's right. That's right. Because the first time, he couldn't answer my questions. I'm here. They were there spending 3 hours during a busy breakfast brunch service. Flashlights out. That's for real. Flashlights out. I have video. Nitpicking, interrupting our groove, interfering with my cooks and servers that are there to serve our loyal guests. They bully, they intimidate. Hypocrites. Standing next to us with their masks. Us with no mask to protect them. They said that. She said, this is what the supervisor said to me. She said, let me explain to you how these masks work. My mask protects you. Your mask protects me. I said, why are you so close to me? Right? That's right. Thank you. On August 11th, after the 3rd visit, they came back. They put a bright orange closed sign on our door stating that we are an imminent danger to the public because we do not require masks. Yet no one sick had got linked back to us. You know, yeah, I was scared. Taste of Sicily's doing it here in, Lebanon County? I'm in Allegheny County. I don't have that kind of support. There's no other restaurant that's open. So I immediately reached out to the E team. Right? That's right. They're awesome. With their support and inspiration, I felt empowered and courageous. And that's the truth, guys. Eat, 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 eat. With faith in God and with much fanfare, we reopened 100% on August 24th. Yep. I took my outdoor, I had 11 tables outside and 11 tables inside. Now there's 3 tables outside and 28 on the inside. And you can also eat at the breakfast counter. It's not a bar.
Not a bar.
The EAT team and the spectacular Wendy Bell came to breakfast to support us. I am forever grateful for the support and the friendship. Something good has come from this virus. New friends, new relationships, new staff members. I tell you all this. Stop living in fear. Be bold, be courageous. If you have a business, open up 100%. The health department has not stepped foot inside my business since that day, August 11th. They know we are open because after closing, they snuck in and slapped another close sign on our door. We took it off. It is a trophy in my family room. We say that I have my window washer take it off really carefully. So I'm here to tell you, don't have doubt about your future. Make it happen. You built your business. This is yours for the taking. We are Americans, land of the free, home of the brave. Right? I receive thank yous on the daily for being open and allowing my guests to walk in like free people and be normal for a time. I just had a young mother bring her kids in on what day? Yesterday? Thursday?
I got this today.
Thursday. 3 little kids. She came an hour away just so she could have breakfast and be normal with her children. And when she was thanking me, I was like, thank you. And with tears in her eyes, she's like, no, thank you. This means everything to us. So you opening your business and letting people be normal is huge. I am making the money to pay my bills and pay my staff. We need to fight this together. There is strength in numbers. You have to open up 100%. I am in Pittsburgh, Allegheny County, and I am open. I am on Bronzeville Road where there is traffic, police. Everyone knows I'm open. They know it. Take back your business. Take back your freedom. Take back your life. Take back your joy. Take back your livelihood. Give back to your guests and staff. Let them have their freedom when walking in your door to choose for themselves. The government is counting on businesses to do what they cannot. Don't do it any longer. Don't work for them. The government works for us. That's right. Don't require your guests to walk in with a mask only to take it off at the table. It's ridiculous. It's absurd. We are Americans. Men died for us, for our freedoms. Take back your business. God bless us, and God bless the United States of America. Cody, do you want to say anything? This is my son, Cody!
Mr. Governor, you ain't shutting us down because I ain't moving back with my parents.
I don't want him back. He needs to keep making money.
The house was cleaner when I was there. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right, let's hear it again for Kit.